Hello and welcome to our 32F2 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. And this floor plan is 1432 square foot. So immediately when we walk into the apartment, we are standing in our beautiful kitchen and lobby area. So to start, there is a storage room here, perfect for storing your valet waste can, coat closet, or any other supplies that you may have. And coming around here, we have a nice granite countertop, which is perfect for seating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And on this nice countertop island, we have double sinks. We have the pull down sprayer head, which makes washing your fruits and vegetables very easy. Plus, there's storage space underneath the countertop and also your dishwasher. There is a dedicated garbage disposal underneath the sink. And coming here, we have lots of cabinets and our refrigerator. This kitchen is an L shape, so you have an extended amount of countertop space to use and also cabinets. As you can see, these are 42-inch cabinets, and it is granite countertops with a beautiful glass backsplash. Also, it is a microwave over a glass top range. Now, this refrigerator is huge. I like to call it the Costco refrigerator because inside, here in the freezer, you have double racks for all of your ice cream and sweet treats for the summer, plus your food here, and there's an ice maker with a catch bucket. Inside the refrigerator, very deep and large vegetable trays or fruit trays there. And then here in the door, these are shelves that will hold gallon jugs, 2 liters, and also wine bottles. And look at the space that is there. So food for days and space for it also. And as you can see here in our high traffic area, we do have our wood floors. Okay, very nice. Huge picture window, ceiling fan with light. And coming out here is our beautiful balcony. So let's go have a look there. This balcony patio is screened in. And you see it is huge, so perfect for a hammock for those lazy summer days. Even you can put seating out here to eat and enjoy the nice warm Florida weather. Okay, coming back inside and you have that view from the front door. Let's go this way. So this is your HVAC closet here, but coming inside here is our laundry room. We have a full-size front-loading washer and dryer. There is a rack there. Walking inside, you see there's plenty of space for storage, for your vacuum mop, and even an ironing board. These are GE appliances that we are using in both the kitchen and bath. On this side is going to be your hall bathroom, and this is a very large size hall bathroom. You see granite countertops, lots of space here, and you see a nice decorative tile that is inside the bathtub area, and there's also a shower head, so you can also use for showers as well as soaking. And huge mirror here. I like to call that the selfie mirror. And right here, you see we have our 2 additional bedrooms. Here at the end of the hallway is a nice size storage closet, so you can get all your linens, comforters, towels, beach bag, luggage storage, all kind of great things can go in there. And as we see now, going into the first guest bedroom, it is a carpeted floor. Because this apartment is on the end of the building, we have an additional window here, as well as here, providing a lot of light. Also, there's nice size walk-in closets, perfect for accommodating all types of clothing as well as storage. And immediately we're going to go across the hall into the second guest bedroom. Same here, nice huge picture window, lots of natural light coming in here, beautifully carpeted floor. And also we're going to have a nice size walk-in closet here as well. So plenty of room if you're going to have an at-home office or use it for guest room space or anything you would like. We definitely have the space. Now, all the way over here, we're going into the master bedroom. And look at this huge picture window, ceiling fan with light, so much natural light coming in here. Beautiful carpeted floors. You can soak your toes in there, run your toes through the carpet. And look at the size of this master bath. So let's take it all in. Double vanity sinks. Look at that, beautiful lighting, separate mirrors, separate sinks, electrical outlet in the center, and look at it, cabinet space for days. At the end here, we have nice 2 big walk-in closets, okay? Whether you're sharing that or keeping it both for yourself, these are huge walk-in closets that can be used for all of your clothing needs. And look at this, here's a full-size tub with the shower head, but then here we have a walk-in shower. Now, how amazing is that? So if you are sharing this bathroom space with someone else, you definitely have the option of one person taking the tub and one person taking a walk-in shower, or you're by yourself, you want to be in a walk-in shower one day, and then you can also soak in the tub. How amazing is that? And that is just, I call it the relationship saver bathroom because it's going to eliminate any kind of confusion in the morning. So here we are, and this again is our 32F2 3-bedroom 2-bath apartment home. It is available. Check our website for the updated availability and pricing, and we look forward to having you stay here at Lakeview Apartments. Thank you.